Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to exit OPPO Recovery Mode. To start, let me quickly enter the recovery mode. To do that, I need to power off my device. Then simultaneously press the volume down and power buttons. Once the OPPO logo appears, release the power key. Now hold the volume down button until the recovery mode is entered. Choose English language. Once you're in recovery mode, you can exit by tapping Reboot Device, and your phone will restart into the system. Or you can power it off and manually switch it on using the power button. I'll go with Reboot Device. That will be more or less it. We have successfully exited the recovery mode. Thanks for watching and bye.